Hi guys. Nag-grocery ulit kami sa Walmart namin. I'll video you. The dancer.
Puti.
Sino puti? Yung strawberry. Or gusto nila ng snack. What? You want to get inside? How old are you? How big are you? How tall are you? How long are you?
Shortest in my class.
Yes, in your class. But it's too hard. It's gonna be hard to push, guys. Yeah. Up. Okay, stop. Ito, may nakita. What? Ayun. Yakult. Different brand. Go.
Two more.
There's only one more left.
Oh, there's strawberries.
Oh, stop.
Strawberry flavor. And here, eat pancit canton.
Oh.
Ayun, may nangapulot na. What else? Chips? Or we'll go to the bigger chips. Guys, usually yung Walmart mag-sale. Mumurahin na steak, oh. $11. I mean, you know, pangit yung cut, pero mura lang, good protein. Oh, bili tayo isa. Nanay, I got this. I got $12 lang na steak. Pangit yung cut, pero okay naman. Ano? Juice, mga juicers. Saan dito?
That one.
Grapes? Ito? Strawberry banana.
What else? Done.
What else?
What else?
This one? You want grape? Mango nectar.
You want apple or this one?
That one, fruit punch. It will punch you.
Punch.
You want the regular apple juice? I'll give it one at a time. Are you that strong? How much is that?
Another one?
Maybe just one. Ikaw nanay, 1, 2.
8.
What else?
Yes. Matalino sila sa pera. Bumili ng isang malaki kasi itong mga maliliit, binalik nila. Kasi 4. Para kami bumili ng 4 na ganyan. Oh. See, mautak sa pera.
Parang gusto ko i-try itong guava.
Mga negosyante ito. Sige, tayo ng guava.
Let's try it.
You drop the price tag. You want, ano? Goldfish? You never... Okay.
I like the Harry Potter.
There's a mini one. Mini cheddar.
But there was one. I'm gonna
The very small one. Okay. Okay. Rainbow. Back to school advertisement. Tingnan mo. Nanay. Bus. May napulot agad. 50-50 kainin.
Jim, hindi mo kakainin yan.
No, kinain nila last time eh. Oh, Cakesters. Okay, let's try that. Malay mo. Ang hirap nila pakainin. Baka, ano yan, hindi na mahirap paunan.
Oreo.
Oreo with fudge. Covered fudge.
You want Oreo? This one.
Digestive. Wala na, nakalimutan na nila. Look what I found. Kit Kat Pops. Kit Pop. Ah, hindi pala. Kala ko parang Malteser na Kit Kat. No, never mind.
What?
Your taxi?
Remember? The luggage?
Oh.
Ah.
Ayan.
You miss the luggage.
Ice cream daw. Ice cream daw. Ice cream is... You want bagel bites? Okay, wait, let's see. There's cheese, but the cheese is small one. Ice cream. Here. Popsicle?
I don't like popsicles.
What? Okay. Okay, what about you, Chi?
They always do it for me.
Napili na ice cream. Yogurt smoothie?
Yeah.
Very that's low fat. That's probably not that sweet.
Then can we get Oreo?
That's one. Oreo ice cream? Okay. Oreo ice cream.
What's this?
Okay. O isa yung ano sa kanya.
What do you want? Sorbet. Sorbet.
No.
Ito isa mahirap pumili.
I don't want popsicles.
Oh, you don't want popsicles. Oh, what do you want?
Finally, ice cream sandwich. Okay, put it in the cart.
So
let's
cold.
go.
What's it so cold?
Because it's ice cream.
It's ice cream.
Grabe guys, napuno na. Pang baon. Kasi it's back to school. So nag-ipon ng mga snack, mga pang breakfast, lahat. One.
Let's check another
The dancer.
flavor.
Ano flavor to? Regular?
Regular? Okay na yan?
I think so.
Ha?
Yeah.
This one? Okay, get the
Oh, let's go na daw kasi nakita ni nanay punong-puno na yung cart. Ah, okay. Ah, yung may sugar. Ah, okay. This one is the other one is the salty one. Ito sugar. Ito sugar, the other one is the salty one. Let's go, bayad na. Guys, we're home and ito na ako. Parang medyo madami. Can you help me with this? May kargahin ako ditong $300 worth grocery. Holy. Okay.
Hi guys! Ito yung mga napamili natin sa Walmart worth magkano to? Yeah, $280 guys. Mga baon nila kasi back to school na. So, mamili kami ng mga baon nila.
Mga snack.
Yeah. Ito, Viva Fox. Gusto ni Chinto. Itong Takis. Blue Hit. Hindi pa namin ito natatry. And then, ito, Mimi Cheddar.
One by one.
Goldfish. You finish? And then, popcorn. Ito hindi mawawala sa bahay. And then, hotdog. Hotdog na mumurahin lang yung gusto nito.
Mga bata.
Tapos, i-half niya ni spaghetti ko. Tapos, ito, taters.
May mga ice cream.
May binili pa akong ice cream at saka
May freezer.
french fries at saka sweet potato. Pero, fin-freezer ko na kasi. Tapos, itong baunan. Maganda tong baunan na to kasi may mga divider siya. Tapos, ito lalagyan ng fruits or what.
Divider?
Tapos, yan. Divider siya.
My car.
Meron din dito. Diba? Yan. Mura lang to. Parang $10 lang ata to. Tag-isa sila.
I almost have that.
Tapos, eto. Ganito, mga ganito.
Yup. Drinkable yogurt.
Yan. Yup. Ah, love. Yan. Ilang piraso tong ganito.
Dalawang ganito para masaya
Tapos, back to school kasi. So, dalawang $15 na Robux.
No, give me my Robux.
Tapos, to. Yan. Ilang piraso to? Marami to eh. Nasa na iba? Anim. Tapos, eto. Rice crackers. Ah, hindi ko alam kung to yung sweet. Pero kasi, tatry ko muna. Sweet ata to. Tapos, eto. Raisin with vanilla yogurt. Tapos, Skittles. What else? Chips Ahoy. Baon din nila to. Tapos, eto, 3 for 10 kasi to. Tatlong klaseng cereal. Fruit Loops, Lucky Charms, and Corn Flakes na strawberry flavor.
Yung mga baon, binuksan na yung isa.
Eto pa. Ito kasi gusto nilang pero hindi naman nauubos to. Kung pwede lang sana ngayon, maliliit eh. What else? Grabe guys, kasi back to school na. So, eto.
Patata.
Yan. Tag-dalawang ganto. Strawberry, tas
Why are you
dalawang
standing up?
regular flavor. Yan. What else? No. Dalhin mo na ito dun. Dalhin mo na yun. Tapos ito, Oreo Cake Stars. Ngayon pa lang nila matitikman to. Usually kasi yung Oreo na regular lang yung binibili ni Chi. Pero this time, try daw niya to. Soft lang to eh. Ewan ko ano nito. Tapos Oreo na regular. Tapos spaghetti noodles. Kasi mag-spaghetti nga ako. Ay, nakusog natin guys. Hindi na kasha. Tapos Skittles ulit. Tapos popcorn ulit.
Kasi sale pag dalawa.
Tapos etong
Let me eat one.
candy. Tapos eto kay tatay. Ito rin nakikisali. Ito, parang apat ata to.
Zillow carries
Yan.
drinks, of course.
Tapos ito, vanilla yogurt. Tapos ano pa? Tapos mga juice. Ito. Ito juice. Ito, berry punch, grapes,
Cherry punch. Pinas na yung wallet ni nanay.
gushers. Ito candy to guys. Na may hindi ko alam, may laman ata sa loob. So, gusto nila to.
Habang pumupulot sa, nanginginig yung wallet.
Cool Aid. Juice. Tapos ito din, goldfish. What else? Tapos ito, yung baunan nila pang, ito kay Ching. Pang snack to. Ito maganda din to. Medyo pricey lang to. Kasi lock and lock. Tapos may dalawang ganyan siya. Pang snack din ni Ching. Tapos, yogurt din. More yogurt. Ito, ano, cotton candy at saka strawberry. Pero ito na parang nasa seed lang siya. Tapos ito, naubos na nila yung binili nilang ganito. Kung ano-ano lang pinagdidikit nila. And then, ito, chicken strips. Maarte sila sa baon. Kaya kailangan ipapatry mo lahat. And then, Del Monte Mango Nectar and Guava. Try ko itong guava. Tapos ito, mango nectar din. Dalawa. Kay Chi. Bari tatlo. What else? Tapos ito, yogurt din to kay tatay. Ito pa yung drinks. What else?
Assistant, say hi to Comer.
Yeah, may assistant. My assistant is ito. Activia yogurt. Usually sa Costco kami bumibili pero hindi kasi kami nag-Costco kaya diyan na kami bumili. Tapos more juice. Ito strawberry banana. And then ito corned beef. Nilalagay ko sa spaghetti. Tapos spam. Yan, spam. Stitch. Ang cute ng ano nila, Stitch.
I love it.
Yan. Bumili kaming tatlo. Kasi ito talaga yung binabaon nila. Sushi, kung ano-ano lang basta may spam. At, tapos, what else? That's it?
No?
Alam, baka malaglag tong spam sa paa nila. That's it. Ito na yung resibo namin. Eh, hindi to. Maliit to.
No, yung resibo nasa baba. No, it's okay, guys.
Grabe, ang dami guys.
And then our other.
Ito na yung baon nila for 2 weeks siguro to. Ewan lang natin. Hindi ko alam kasi sa Tuesday pa yung school pero sinisimulan na nila.
And then this.
Ay, nako guys. Thank you guys.
And then.
Ayan na. Yung kinain na. Kinain na yung lollipop. Ito na out lahat. 300 o 280. Tapos yung mga frozen goods nasa freezer ng mga ice cream.
Lagay mo to dun sa ano mo.
Mahal na ngayon. Okay, that's it for the grocery day.
Bye.
Bye! Iyak wallet ni nanay. Bye, nanay.
Bye, wallet.
Bye, wallet. Okay, okay, time to put this away. Who volunteers?
Mommy,
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
can you redeem my Robux?
Yeah, redeem na daw ang Robux. Walang isang araw, ubos ng Robux.